In today's video, Ellie will be showing us how to draw a butterfly. Grab some paper and a pencil, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Are you ready? Let's go! 3, 2, 1, draw! Ellie is starting her beautiful butterfly by drawing its head and body. She's drawing a nice round circle for its head, and then next to that, an oval shape. Now she's adding a longer oval, shaped a bit like a finger. It doesn't look much like a butterfly yet, but it will do. Oh, pause. This is the perfect time for an animal fact. Did you know there are special names for the parts of a butterfly's body? There's the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. In fact, most insects have those body parts. Sorry, Ellie. You can start drawing again now. It's time to draw a wing. Can you flap your arms like a butterfly's wings? Ellie is drawing the first part of the wing going up from the butterfly's body. Do your best to copy Ellie's shape, but don't worry if it's not perfect. She's had a lot of practice. For the second part of this wing, Ellie is drawing a slightly funny circle shape with a flattish bottom. This shape will actually cover part of the body. It's time to start your butterfly's other wing. Ellie has found a point about halfway along the first wing, and she's started there. And to finish this second wing, she's drawn what looks a bit like an egg hiding behind the first wing. To finish off the butterfly's rough shape, there are just a couple more things we need to add. We need to add a cheeky little tongue, or proboscis, sticking out of the head. Secondly, every cute butterfly needs 2 cute antennae. Ellie's drawn 2 straight lines from her butterfly's head and finished them off with little downward spirals on the end. Very fancy, Ellie. And that's the guide done. Give yourself a pat on the back. And if you missed anything or need more time, you can always rewind the video. Ellie won't mind waiting. Ellie's beginning by drawing over the lines she made for the first wing. Now it's time for the second wing. But as this one is behind the first wing, be careful not to cross over any lines. Now it's time for the body. Can you remember those 3 special words? Ellie is starting with the head, moving on to the thorax, and lastly, the abdomen. Then, it's on to the curly proboscis and those antennae. And last of all, your butterfly needs an eye. Ellie's going to stop there, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't get out your favourite colouring pencils and make your butterfly beautiful. If you've enjoyed Ellie's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, you can always go back and re-watch any bits you might have missed. Anyway, that's the end of the video. We butterfly away! See you next time!